Roots. Section B, tough. Let's start. Ajay made a cuboid of plastic. The length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 25 by 25 by 50 centimeter. Okay. How many minimum such cuboids he needs to make a perfect square? Break them into prime factors. So 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 into 2. So once we have all the prime factors, make groups of 3s. So 1 5 5 5 one group, 5 5 5 one group. Now only 1 2 remains. Now if you have to make this a perfect square, group of 3, you will have to multiply 2 2 2. Right? So 1 2 is there. We require 2 more 2s. So we need to multiply it by 4 to make it a perfect cube. Right? So that is the required answer. So minimum 4 cuboids are required of 25 by 25 by 50 so that they make a perfect